Hello students, the glory in living is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Another way of telling the same thing is that in the game of boxing you don't lose if you fall, but you lose if you don't get up after falling. So what is more important in life is that you are willing to get up if you fall. With this in mind, today we are going to study a theorem in the chapter similar triangle, and the name of the theorem is the theorem related with the areas of similar triangle. So the statement of the theorem goes like this: the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. If I have two triangles here, say triangle A, B and C, and another triangle I have here, triangle P, Q and R, and both are similar. Let me see. These two triangles are similar, that is given. So let me write the results that the similar triangles give us. So here we can say angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and also AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. These are two results which are immediately followed the moment you say that these two triangles are similar. That means in similar triangles we can say that the corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of the corresponding sides is proportional, or the corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Also this angle A is equal to angle P. The corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal, or the corresponding sides are proportional. So that we have seen with these two results. Now we will see that what we need to prove. To prove is that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, that is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square, or is equal to AC square upon PR square. The statement was like this, that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This result has to be proved. So obviously that result is equal to the ratio of the areas. So we will first try to find out the areas of these two triangles. For that, let us draw AD as a perpendicular or altitude on the base BC, and let me call it PM, another perpendicular on base QR in triangle PQR. So if you want to find out area of triangle ABC, and let me tell you, divided by area of triangle PQR, what you can do is half into base, that is BC, into AD. The area of triangle is half into base into height, and the area of this will be half into QR and into PM. So this will get cancelled and you are left with BC upon QR is equal to, sorry, it is BC into AD divided by QR into PM. Let me call this is result 1. Now in these two triangles, you can see in triangle ADB and triangle PMQ, we have angle B is equal to angle Q. From here it is angle B is equal to angle Q. Also you have angle D is equal to angle M, each 90 degree. So now I can write that triangle ABB is similar to triangle PMQ, and this is by AA similarity criteria. AA similarity. Since these two triangles are similar, undoubtedly what we can write is AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to, I will write here AD upon PM. Also, we can have dB upon MQ, but this is not required in this particular case. So now you can see this is not required. This is true, but it is not required. It is not our requirement. So let me write this as equation 1. This is equation 2. And let me call this is equation 3. Now what you can see is I will write using 2 and 3 in 1. According to AD upon PM, AD upon PM is AB upon PQ. So I will write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. And in place of AD upon PM, from 2 I will write AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. Also in place of BC upon QR, from 3 I will write AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. So and it is 2, so this becomes AB square upon PQ square. Similarly, we can also show that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to BC square upon QR square or AC square upon PR square. The statement of this theorem was like this, that area ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So that has been proved.